Here's a quick video on how to replace the battery in your Town & Country key fob. The Dodge Caravan is the exact same. You do not need any tools, but you do need one of the 2032 batteries, and you can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description that will take you straight there. So on this front side here, there's a little latch. You want to slide that down, and then while you're doing that, pull out your mechanical key. Now you want to place your mechanical key right here. You can use a screwdriver if it's easier for you, but you just want to place it here and separate the two halves like that. Go ahead and separate these. This might come out like that, but it just fits right in there. Take your key, pop the dead battery out, put your new battery in positive side facing downward, clip it in like that, and you want to make sure that this rubber casing goes on this outside here, so you're not pinching any of that. Squeeze that back together, put your key back in, and you're all set. There is no need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.